Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to spectate matches that other players are playing on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, click on the watch option at the top, and you will now see various different ongoing matches. You can click whichever match you would like to watch, or you may also search for the heroes using the search box. You can watch live matches, replays of previous matches, as well as ongoing tournaments. After finding the game that you would like to spectate, click on the watch button, and now this will load up the servers and connect into this ongoing match, and you will be able to enjoy this match as a spectator. Once you enter the spectate mode, you can move around within the map freely by changing the camera option. Once you click on the camera icon, click on the drop down menu and then choose free camera, and you will now be able to freely move your camera within this match. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to spectate any ongoing matches on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.